Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb has suggested the Three-Eye Atlas is actually some type of alien technology.
Just changed, and with them, the entire story of Three-Eye Atlas. For months, astronomers believed this interstellar visitor would simply glide past the red planet. A dazzling but harmless flyby. But now, the math has shifted. Harvard's Loeb team, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, independent analysts all reaching the same unsettling conclusion. This object's path isn't drifting. It's tightening, correcting itself. And for the first time, the possibility of a collision is real. Not just theory, not just fear.
Astronomers are continuing to track a newly spotted object, likely a comet, from outside our solar system. The interloper, named Three-Eye Atlas, was first spotted on July 1st.
V2. 3 Atlas is no ordinary traveler. It's moving faster than anything humanity has ever tracked from interstellar space. 87 kilometers per second relative to the sun. That's the Earth-to-Moon distance in less than 80 minutes. Every single hour, the pull of the Sun, Jupiter, and Mars adjusts its course by microscopic amounts. Shifts so tiny they seem meaningless, but stretched across millions of kilometers, they add up, and they are pointing directly toward Mars. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has confirmed something stranger still. The comet's halo has doubled in brightness since August. Ultraviolet spikes flashing like signals. This is not normal comet behavior. The gas outbursts are too strong, too deliberate. Instead of stabilizing as it approaches the sun, Atlas acts like a guided missile, self-adjusting, accelerating, course-correcting through plumes of gas released in timed bursts.
This is not a rock, and in that case, maybe it's targeting the inner solar system. We know that the trajectory is very well aligned with
Trajectory models show a terrifying margin. Closest approach, 1.95 million kilometers on September 26, 2025. For astronomers, that's a razor's edge. At that distance, Mars gravity could pull it closer still. And here's the twist that keeps scientists awake at night. A mere 10 kilometers per second of added velocity could tip the orbit into a direct strike. Barely a fraction of what SpaceX's Starship generates at launch. And Atlas is already producing momentum changes inside its tail. Spectroscopy from Chile revealed pulses, once every 17 minutes. Not random, not chaotic, perfectly rhythmic. Every burst of gas aligned like a spacecraft's thruster. If those pulses continue, by September 19th the gap shrinks to under 50,000 kilometers, closer than some Martian moons. One more violent outburst after that, and impact becomes inevitable. The numbers are chilling. 10 billion tons of irradiated ice and dust. A metallic core nearly 400 meters wide. If it hits, the energy released would equal 2 million megatons of TNT. A crater 60 kilometers across, 5 kilometers deep, enough to erase decades of human exploration in a single event. Rovers, orbiters, relays, all gone, and Mars itself scarred forever. Inside NASA, whispers are leaking. The Reconnaissance Orbiter is being used as a forward tracker. Goldstone's antennas already bouncing radar off the core. And the echoes they've seen? Not soft, icy returns, but hard, metallic, like an alloy, forged, not formed. If true, then Atlas is not a comet at all. It's technology, wrapped in sacrificial ice. Professor Avi Loeb and his student Adam Hibbard are already circulating papers that sound like science fiction. Atlas as a messenger, launched, directed, steered, and the European Space Agency may have seen proof. 3 glinting objects caught orbiting Mars in perfect triangular formation. Dismissed as noise at first, but they reappeared again and again. Drones? Scouts? Fragments of a larger mission. If proven, this would not just be the discovery of the century. It would be first contact. And the timeline is closing fast. September 19th through 30, the critical window. By then, the comet will be flying at 57 kilometers per second relative to Mars. Enough that even a glancing strike could vaporize cubic kilometers of rock. Enough to throw dust into space and maybe, in time, toward Earth. Some images already show the tail splitting into 3 glowing beams. Green, eerie, pulsing at the same 17-minute rhythm, as if painting a target across the Martian sky. Meanwhile, global agencies are holding quiet emergency sessions. ESA, Roscosmos, JXA, CNSA, whispers of planetary defense. Do we intercept it, destroy it, or wait and risk the unknown? Because this no longer looks like a comet. It looks like a vehicle, and if it collides, the first undeniable evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence won't be a radio signal. It will be a glowing green object striking Mars at unimaginable speed. And when it happens, the universe will never look the same again. So what do you believe? Is Atlas just a freak of nature? Or is something out there steering it? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe because the next update may not be about Mars at all. It may be about us.